Hi guys, welcome back to Shop with Dev and Steph. I am in Mexico right now and I just thought I'd share the two tote bags that I brought to Mexico. 第一個咧就係呢個我新設計嘅招財貓袋啦，好得意咧！呢個袋我覺得幾好啦，so far 咧我嚟 Mexico 咧，原來都好多人中意招財貓，都好多人讚我呢個袋啦，我好開心啦，係咪？咁呢個招財貓有呢個招財貓戴住個富貴竹啦，呢個攞住個金元寶，呢個攞住個桔啦，呢個係一個舞獅嗰個頭啦，跟住中間咧係有一個福字嘅，攞住個福字嘅利是，跟住呢個攞住個燈籠啦，然後呢個就係攞住個炮仗，跟住呢個咧係餃子嚟嘅，我亦都等咗係睇咪得，寫住 Rosy Pink 嗰個字，咁有啲人問我係咪饅頭啊？唔係，係一個餃子嚟嘅，跟住呢個就攞住桃花嘅，呢個袋咧我就覺得幾實用啦，嚟到墨西哥，因為呢個咧係可以 cross body 嘅，等到好多嘢，同埋都放到幾多嘢咯呢個袋。不過 unfortunately 咧，呢度呢個 strap 咧只可以咁樣攞，唔可以放落膊頭。但如果你想好似放落膊頭咁，你可以綁短啦，咁樣都得嘅。Yeah, so this is my new 招財貓 bag, and I wanted to design something for the coming Chinese New Year and wanted to bring some luck and happiness to everyone. So that's why I came up with this concept of creating this lucky fortune bag, lucky cat fortune bag. So the next bag I designed is this one for Vancouver. This bag is really meaningful to me because I drew some of the items with my niece, and then 佢咧就有啲眼呢個山啲眼係佢畫啦，所以呢個袋咧係我覺得好有意義咯。咁我個 niece 都覺得好得意嘅，咁所以我都覺得好得意咧，全部都係呢個係 Science World 啦。Basically 全部呢個袋咧係有溫哥華嘅係咪標點溫哥華嘅landmarks 係咯 landmark 好溫哥華嘅咩咧？我諗下先。Bag has most of the important landmarks from Vancouver. We have Science World, Five Sails 啦，午飯啦，我哋嘅 Orchid Whale 啦，有時去做 whale watching 啦 ，Nuksha 嗰個石嗰個像啦，啲 totems 啦，咁咧我哋啲山啊海係好靚啦喺 Vancouver， 同埋最緊要就梗係一定嚟到 Vancouver 就要睇我哋個 steam clock 啊，呢個係咪好得意咧？So yeah, so these are the two bags I designed, and 我覺得幾有用咯喺墨西哥。呢個就有少少唔同，呢個係 wide 啦，可以 shoulder 嘅。同埋我因為咧好多人咧同我講話佢哋想要個 tote bag 咧喺下邊係可以咁樣闊開嘅，佢哋覺得咁樣可以 join 到好多嘢咯。咁所以我呢個咧就特登係設計一個橫嘅袋啦，就可以闊咁樣開嘅，咁樣攞。So yeah, these are the two tote bags I brought to Mexico, and then so far 好多人讚，好多人都好中意，好多人問我喺邊度買。咁而家喺歐中 fashion 有得買啦 ，and then 遲啲咧就可能上網都會有得買噶啦。So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.